Here is a wonderful 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers. Everyone loves the strong, silent type. Make a date with a Silverado 1500.